popular Bollywood playback singer Humain Sagar is currently in a critical condition at AIIMS Bhubaneswar. He was rushed to the emergency ward on Saturday after his health deteriorated sharply and has since been shifted to the ICU on ventilator support. Doctors confirmed that Humain Sagar is suffering from severe liver complications and multiple organs have begun to malfunction. Despite round-the-clock treatment, there has been no improvement in the last 24 hours. Medical teams say the next 72 hours are extremely crucial. In an emotional appeal, Humain Sagar's mother has requested urgent assistance from the Odisha government. Sources indicate that he may be airlifted to Delhi or another specialized facility, depending on how he responds to treatment. The singer had been dealing with liver-related issues for the past few days, though he continued appearing in stage shows. A well-known voice in Odisha's film and music industry, Humain Sagar enjoys a strong fan following, especially among youth. Doctors continue to monitor his condition closely as prayers pour in from fans across the state.
मो पुअर देह सीरियस कंडीशन रे अछि वर्तमान वेंटिलेटर लागि छी तार सब किछि ऑर्गन फेलर बतौछंती डॉक्टर माने आउ ताकू आईसीयू रे रखाई छी वेंटिलेटर रे अछि मो पुअ से कहले ट्रीटमेंट चाली छी किंतु वर्तमान भी 1% भी इंप्रूव हेनी से या कहले आम ट्रीटमेंट करथाउ किंतु गॉड कर आशीर्वाद हेले मो पुओ बंची जीव
परामर्श देले कि आपण भुवनेश्वर दिल्ली
मो चाहिले नहीं पारो एंती कहले
कोर्ट को जीवा पे परामर्श देले
ना सेमती किछि कहि नांती आपन को इच्छा जो ठीक भी नहीं पारो एमती कहले
ना भुवनेश्वर एम्स
सारा ओडिशावासी पुणी गवर्नमेंट को रिक्वेस्ट करुछि अनुरोध करुछि मो पुओ को मो बाहर को टिके नहीं कि ट्रीटमेंट करी आने लगी चाहूँगी मत प्लीज समस्ते हेल्प करंतु मो पुओ को आपण माने समस्ते जानिसंती मो पुओ को हेल्प